Welcome to the series of Complete Python in 1 minute. Arithmetic operators are used with numerical values to perform some mathematical operations like plus, minus, multiply, divide. Let's check out all the arithmetic operations with the help of an example code. Let's execute the arithmetic operators on these two variables. Here we are adding a and b. So 10 plus 3 is 13. Here we are subtracting 10 minus 3 is 7. 10 into 6 is 30. This will return 10 divided by 3, that will be 3.3 something. Here we are applying the modulus operator. 10 mod 3, this will return the remainder, that will be 1. Double star is the power operator. So 10 power 3 is 1000, this will return. And this is the floor division. So this will not print the value after decimal point. So 10 floor division 3 is 3 only. So let me print the output. Run the code. Here is the same output.